Plus?
Sure. Now, this is the S10 Plus. It's perfect for those. Thank you. This one's perfect for those who want even more from their phones. Looks beautiful.
It's great. And it looks like you got a lot of color on that table over there, Josh.
Yeah, all three of these models come in a range of beautiful colors. I like the black one personally, but there's a color that's right for everyone.
Awesome. And a lot of people have been asking about the size. How does the size compare to the S9? Can you show us?
Sure. So here, I have the S9 on my left and the S10 on the right. As you can see, the size of the phone, we've kept it really similar. But once you turn on the device, the display, you can see the S10 has much more screen.
And of course, that's because while the S9 has the Infinity display, the S10 has our Infinity O display.
Sure, it's really simple. All I do is place my thumb on the bottom of the screen. That's it.
Wow. That is really easy. Now let's take a look at the camera. Can you show us the camera?
Sure. Let me show you how amazing the different lenses are on the S10. Comes with multiple cameras on the back, so you have the right lens for every situation.
All right, so what are you taking a shot of there, Josh?
So here I have the box for the S10. With one click, I can easily zoom in. But then I can go ultra wide. And now you can see a lot more.
Perfect. So with ultra wide, you can just get more into any shot, right? That's awesome. Well, thanks for helping out, Josh. Appreciate you showing us the S10.
Thank you.
We can't wait for you to meet the S10. And soon, founders, because it's right around the corner. And you'll be happy to know the S10 comes in brand new, eco-friendly packaging. And for the first time, you can go to one of 3 new Samsung Experience stores to pick up your device. They open today in LA, New York, and my hometown, Houston, Texas.